quiz game. I repeat, quiz game where all answers are going to start with the letter Q.
Quick.
Quiet.
Quack, quack, quack. Quitter.
Queen Daenerys Targaryen.
I am playing with my husband Mohit and with my best friend Swati, Momo and Swat.
Perfect.
And you will get 10 quick rapid fire questions in round 1, and then in round 2 you will get 6 categories where you have to bet these points. ठीक है? Ready to quiz.
Ready.
Okay. Ready with your claps?
Yes.
ठीक है? Okay, here is your first question. Which is the world's tallest brick minaret?
Qutub Minar.
Yes, Swat. 10 points. This is Qutub Minar.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ minaret क्या होता है?
Delhi girl had to answer it. Okay, question
Wow.
2. Quickly, question 2. Give me one word that can be used to indicate 15 minutes or 3 months.
Quarter.
Too fast. Yay! Very quick, Mohit. Third question. Here you go. What is this called?
Casadia.
Yes! 10 points. This is not Quasidella. This is Casadia. Okay. Next. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go quickly. 7 questions to go. And आज तो मैं कुछ crazy हिलाई हूँ. Members will have a lot of fun. पर देखते रहो, चलो बताएगा. Okay. Fourth question. Here you go. Won the National Award for Best Hindi Film and Best Actress in 2014. Which Hindi comedy drama movie starts with the letter Q?
Queen.
Oh, yes, of course.
Queen.
Of course. Members, please drop that Quizzica Padukone sticker in
Wow.
here. In
I
the
was so
comment
close to
section.
say Karib single.
Oh, 2014 थोड़ा.
I don't remember the year. Only movie I
It's a
could
nice
think
movie.
of. हाँ.
Quizzica Padukone for a reason. Quizzica is
Quizzica. Q and Queen of History. Both are QQ. And मैं Q हूँ.
Okay. Fifth question. Oh, by the way, Q कौन सा लेटर है? Calculate करेगा तुमने इसे नंबर में?
तू भी अभी कर रही थी.
हाँ.
17.
नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
Oh.
ये तो I'm just asking.
17.
इसलिए क्या fifth question क्यों?
हाँ.
अच्छा, sorry sir. अभी तो आ रहा है कोई. Sorry sir. चल आगे.
17.
17 था.
छी.
चलो, fifth question. Here you go. The smallest number of people that must be at a meeting before it can begin or a decision can be made is called from Q. एक टर्म यूज होता है इसके लिए.
Qualifying.
No.
मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
हाँ,
Quorum.
You're right.
Oh wow.
Yes, this is called quorum. कि इतने लोग
Okay.
होने चाहिए. Wow, good crack. Great going both of you. 30 and 20. Okay, next question. इसके बाद audience, I have some questions for you also. ठीक है? तब तक आप like button दबाना मत भूलो. हमने बड़े दिनों से remind नहीं करवाया है ना. If you click on that like button, it will help us. Okay. Next question. Here you go. The smallest country so far to host a FIFA World Cup is.
Qatar.
Yeah. The only country that starts with Q. 30 each. Swat, you were also going to say this.
Yes,
I'm sure. एक ही
yes.
country. Fair. Okay. Next question. Which brand's old logo is this?
Quaker Oats.
You're right. This is Quaker.
Quaker.
Yes. 40 and 30. Okay. Next question. Type of restaurant that serves food quickly and has minimal table service is known as.
Quick service restaurants. QSR.
Oh, you're right. This is
Oh.
QSR, quick service restaurant.
Wow.
Industry synonym for fast food restaurants.
Fast food.
Oh okay.
Whoa, मोहित
Wow.
तो कुछ फुस
Puss. Chi. Nipun, you are also so partial. Use the code partial to get 20% off on ivyk.store. But Nipun, you are so partial, yaar.
Chalo. On that note, all three of us today are wearing t-shirts from iYKYK.store. Yay!
That's the greatest news I've ever heard.
iYKYK.store. यहाँ YouTube पे भी शॉप में आपको दिख जाएगा. ठीक है? चलो. Next question. Here you go. What was the mass civil disobedience movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi on August 8, 1942 called?
Quit India movement.
Wow, 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 wow. Quit India movement. Neck to neck. 40 and
50.
50.
40, 50.
40 and 50. Okay. Last question. You've answered all questions so far. Good
Yes.
going, guys. Last question. Here you go. Two words with similar meaning starting with Q share this same origin. Tell me both the words. I'm showing you the origin.
Question and quiz.
No. मुझे दोनों वर्ड्स सही चाहिए.
Question and questionnaire.
No. क्वेश्चनर कहीं से आ जाएगा वैसे क्वेश्चन से, बट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक आंसर.
Question and quest.
नो. बहुत चांसेस हो गए हैं. सैट यू विल वन लास्ट टर्न है ना.
Question and query.
Yay! 10 मिलेगा 5 मिलेगा.
आई थिंक 5 मिलना चाहिए. बहुत सारे अटेम्प्ट्स हो गए थे वैसे.
एक मुझे भी 5 मिलेगा ऊपर जो मैं सेकंड टाइम पे लिया था
ये मेरा
कोरम वाले पे.
second
हाँ ये भी. हाँ फिर ठीक है, सब 10 पे चलो.
अच्छा ठीक है सब टाइम.
हाँ छोड़ना हाँ सब 10. Yes,
Yay!
good one. This was I mean this is very obvious. दोनों का मतलब सेम ही है, पर हाँ एकदम ओरिजिन भी एकदम सेम ही लैटिन वर्ड से आता है. क्वेरी एंड क्वेश्चन. Woo! Guys, are you both at 50 and 50?
Yes.
You don't be happy or sad because end में कुछ और ही होने वाला है. Something very different from what's been happening so far. If you're new, आप बस देखते रहो, आपको मजा आएगी. चलो
Okay,
चले
this is new for us also.
ओके ठीक है.
चले. Okay. Oh, audience question. Promised audience question after 10 questions. Okay, audience. If you watched Harry Potter quiz, you know how greatly I performed in that. तो मैं आपके लिए Harry Potter question ले आई हूँ ताकि मुझे तो नहीं आए. Who was Harry's first defense against the dark arts teacher? इनका नाम भी क्यों से है और सरनेम भी क्यों से है? मुझे लगा था सिर्फ सरनेम है. So that is your question 1. And question 2 is, this board of a Go game gave design inspiration to something we scan from our phones almost every day now. What is this? ये एक जापानीज गेम है, वहाँ बहुत पॉपुलर है, तो दिख ही रहा है आई थिंक. बढ़िया. ओके ओके. If you are enjoying this and if you like this trivia, hit that like button, drop some comments and shop from iYKYK store and become our member. Everything. चलो, let's go to beat around. क्यों कौन सा लेटर था वैसे?
17.
17. ठीक है.
क्या हो रहा है ये बार-बार क्यों पूछ रही है?
Sorry, कुछ. Okay, now welcome both of you to beat around. You have to pick a category and bet your points. तुम दोनों के पास 50-50 हैं, तो अब let's see तुम यहाँ से कहाँ जाते हो. Here are your 6 categories.
पहले कौन जाएगा?
We'll do rock paper scissors. चलो पहले categories देख लो. Here are your 6 categories. Quaint lingo, quintessential cinema, quality food, quirky name, queen of music, quizzical legend. It was such a task to find adjectives from Q. I think मैंने सारे use कर दिए हैं. Nothing is left. Here are your 6 categories. Because तुम्हारा score same है, तो just do rock paper scissors to decide who will go first.
चल.
If you want to go first, please do.
नहीं.
नहीं.
I do not want to start betting points. I'm afraid.
मैं वैसे तो पुराने वीडियो से बाहर नहीं आएगा, तो आप क्यों इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हैं? तो सबटाइटल के लिए तो इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल रहे, पता नहीं इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हैं.
मैं इंग्लिश में क्यों बोल रहा हूँ?
हाँ आजा हिंदी
अच्छा है,
में.
इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव हो गया. सबकी, मेरी भी.
मैं तो नहीं सोचती कि बहुत फॉरेन लोगों से कॉल लेते हैं, तब पता नहीं वो क्या सोचते होंगे.
Oh, I speak very nice English man.
That is true.
मुझे ऐसी इंग्लिश आवे that I can leave अंग्रेज behind.
Rock paper scissors. वो हमेशा scissor करता है. ओ मैंने rock क्यों किया फिर?
He knew the trick. He still lost. Come on, Mohit.
I forgot that I had to lose.
चल मोहित,
मोहित.
pick your
Suffering from
category.
success.
Pick your category. कोई मीनिंग जाननी हो तो बता देना, but I think clear ही है.
Okay, so I'll go for quaint lingo for 10 points.
Okay.
20 points. I'll go for 20 points. Quaint lingo.
Okay, Mohit has put 20 points. If he wins, he'll get 20. If he loses, he will get minus 20. Quaint lingo.
Quaint lingo.
Here you go. This is one of the 8 natural regions of Peru. It is also the name of an indigenous language family that originated in Peru and spread to other countries of the Andes. It is also the name of a French brand for hiking and camping equipment marketed mostly by another famous French sports goods retailer. What are we talking about?
I have no idea from first 2 clues,
Yeah.
but the second clue, the hiking camping brand that starts with Q and sold by another retailer. I have no idea whether they are French or not, but is it Quechua?
You're right.
UA.
I don't need the spelling, but you're right. Yay! You get 20 points. This is absolutely right. I did not know that Quechua was actually, इनका नाम वहीं से आता है कि एक region है पेरू में. And then there's a language also. तो Kaichawa. I just wrote the pronunciation. Kaichawa.
वाह, मैं तो ब्रांड में ये सोच रही थी ये होगा, इसमें लिंगो में आ गया ये.
Yeah, Kaichawa. And marketed by another French sports retailer, Decathlon. Yeah. ठीक है, चलो. Swat, your turn now. 5 categories left.
Okay, so I will stake 40 points for cinema.
Yeah.
Quintessential.
No, first you speak this word properly.
Quintessential cinema.
And now you tell the spelling of this word, please.
Quin, Quint, Quint, ESS, Ascent, ENTIAL.
Oh, wow!
बता.
Yes,
अब
please
तो
do.
बता.
Please give her the question.
Chal, Swat, here you go. This movie marked the beginning of the full-time acting career of an iconic Bollywood actor. It also marked the directorial debut of his cousin Mansoor Khan and was written and directed by Nasir Hussain, father of Mansoor Khan. In fact, a lot of people from their family feature in small cameos and roles in the movie. Released in 1988, this Hindi language romantic musical is widely considered to have set a template for romantic movies of the 90s in terms of direction, story, music. Which iconic movie is this?
मेरे को एक नाम आ गया है,
Okay.
पर मैं और कुछ सोच ही नहीं पा रही. तुझे आ गया क्या?
स्वैट आंसर देने वाले होते हैं, मेरी हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाती है.
मेरे पास एक नाम है, बट अब मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा कि सिर्फ वो है या पूरा है जो मैं सोच रही हूँ. सिर्फ फर्स्ट भी होगा तो चलेगा अगर मैं.
मूवी का नाम है ना?
हाँ.
तो मूवी का नाम
उफ यार, ओ गॉड.
स्वैट.
बोल.
चल यार बोल देते हैं, अब क्या करूँ, 10 पे आ जाऊंगी फिर. इज इट मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता कि पूरा, मैं पूरा नाम बोल देती हूँ.
हाँ.
इज इट कयामत से कयामत तक या फिर कयामत?
You're absolutely right.
आराम से माइक ना फाड़ दो.
Members,
God.
Quizzica Padukone स्टिकर तो आप डाल ही दो. Oh my God, Swat.
वाओ. अब मैं पता है क्या सोच रही थी कि मैं इमेजिन ऋषि कपूर कर रही थी for some reason. मैंने आमिर खान देखा कि ओह अच्छा.
तो मैंने
मैं ऋषि कपूर को सोच रही
the
थी.
hint I dropped was कि उन्हीं का cousin. So you go to some of the Khans की Mansoor Khan है और उन्हीं के वो थे. Shout out to my पापा जिनकी ये favorite movie है, जिन्होंने क्यों क्विज में सबसे पहले ये text करा. And I'm sure a lot of people of that generation, I think उस generation की this was like YJHD की उस जनरेशन की आइकॉनिक. लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द कैमियोज. ये छोटा सा इमरान खान है, ये फैजल खान है आमिर खान के रियल ब्रदर, ये उनकी तब की गर्लफ्रेंड या वाइफ थी तब, रीमा जी, और ये इमरान खान की मम्मी है, आमिर खान की सिस्टर. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे कैमियोज थे छोटे छोटे. बट वो स्वैट, ग्रेट.
Wow, Swat.
ग्रेट.
Very close to hitting a century.
क्या स्टेक कर रहा था.
तुझे
हाँ,
आया था?
मेरे को क्वेश्चन पढ़ते पढ़ते आ गया था. Basically one old movie that I remember from Q.
ओके, आप उस जनरेशन को तो प्लीज बताना. आई हर्ड लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज अबाउट दिस मूवी. चलो मोहित, योर टर्न.
Okay, let's challenge ourselves. Let's go on a quest and go with quirky name.
और
All in 70 points.
Oh my god, boy is bad with names. Boy is going for quirky name. All in, let's go.
Let's go.
You got this. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Quirky name. When its founders, former employees of Facebook, wanted to keep the name for this company, some of the criteria they had were: it should start with an unusual letter, a word that wasn't commonly used by anything else, ideally something with double O's in it for good luck. Yahoo, Google, Facebook, इस तरह का. Something that made sense for what we were working on. The closest competition to the current name was Quiver, but they eventually chose the current name because it could be associated with public congregation. What company is this?
What is congregation?
I can't. मतलब गैदरिंग से होती है congregation.
Quiver. Congregation. क्या होता है congregation? I think assembling of people, public, or opinion. I think asking for opinion. Oh God, I don't know. But I think I know a company name who was founded by former Facebook employees that starts with Q. I cannot connect anything else, so I'll just say that name. I'll go for Quora.
Okay.
तूने पिछले आंसर में एक और आंसर दिया था. When I asked the smallest possible number of people you need for a meeting, what was that word?
Quorum.
What does public congregation mean?
Quorum.
Ah, you're right. This is Quora.
कोरा कागज था ये मन मेरा.
Oh god, this is Quora. ये actually डाला भूल गए पर मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ. ये actually वो founder का ही screenshot है as a Quora answer कि उन्होंने ये नाम क्यों रखा Quora का. तो some of the criteria they had were these. सारे fulfill नहीं हुए पर they were pretty happy.
हाँ फिर मैंने वही सोचा Quiver भी there was this close competition. It does not also fulfill double O. So maybe they just let go of that criteria.
Yeah. चल Swat, your turn.
Yeah.
खुशी का पादुकोण, what do you want?
Is camera working fine?
Yes.
Very nice.
Okay, so I'm not confident with Queen of Music क्योंकि I cannot think of anybody with Q. Food भी same लग रहा है, Legend भी same लग रहा है.
अरे बचा क्या?
पर मैं food पे फिर भी जाना चाहूँगी कि I can at least think something around Q.
Oh.
I don't
आ भी
know.
गया.
नहीं आया नहीं है but सुन के कुछ दिमाग काम कर सकता है maybe. Quality food for 50 points.
50 points, big bets लग रहे हैं भाई इधर. Okay, Swat, quality food. Here you go.
Oh God.
This is a pseudo cereal, meaning although prepared and eaten as a grain, this is actually a flowering plant grown primarily for its edible seeds. It is considered a solid source of plant-based protein and is packed with nutrients. The Incas called it the mother of all grains and the gold of the Incas. What are we talking about?
एकदम आ रहा है और नहीं आ रहा है. It's like it's here, but then वो चला जा रहा है वापस.
एकदम बस क्यों सोच.
जब आए ना पकड़ ले उसको.
तुझे मिल गया क्या? अच्छा.
Oh God. कोई प्लांट है क्या? क्यों से कोई प्लांट कोइश यार एक है.
हाँ.
अब मुझे लग रहा है कुछ ऐसा है क्या? क्वेश QUECHE something like
QUECHE केचुआ जैसा.
कुछ तो यार नहीं पता मुझे.
No Swat. This is
कीनुआ.
quinoa. This is quinoa. You get a -50. You're now at 40.
या
सुना तो है ना?
हाँ.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं रखा था, सुना ही ना वो लगे.
सैलड में मिलता है ना, ये बहुत फीलिंग होता है. तो जब मैं वेट लॉस कर रहा था मैं यही कुछ करता था. कहीं जाना होता था मैं बोलता था सैलड में ऑप्शन होता था कि क्या सैलड, कीनुआ वाला डालते. तो कीनुआ भर देता था नीचे से बाउल वाल के अंदर.
ऐसा भी पढ़ा था मैंने कि इसमें कंप्लीट सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन है, लाइक ऑल 9 एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स आर देयर एटसेट्रा. सो वेरी क्वालिटी फूड टू बी प्रिसाइज. ओके मोहित, योर लास्ट टर्न टू सिलेक्ट a category. Hopefully your last one. हाँ last one.
Queen of Music and Quizzical Legend. Quizzical legend. My God. Okay, I'll go for Quizzical legend, and I'll bet 5 points.
Okay. Facing your challenge again.
Huh.
Your fear.
This time very rationally facing my fear.
Okay. Quizzical legend.
Hmm.
Here you go. Okay. He never attended film school. Instead, he claims to have learned filmmaking by watching movies and working on small film projects. He often employs non-linear timelines as seen in Pulp Fiction, Reservoir Dogs and Kill Bill. He has won 2 Academy Awards for Best Original Screenplay. He has a self-imposed rule to only ever direct and create 10 movies across his career. Just a trivia, 9 are already done. Which director is this?
Wow. I thought I'll have to guess somebody from the quizzing world. Quizzical legend. And I was like, okay, कोई ना कोई तो सुना ही होगा. I have no clue where this is going.
So quizzical means somebody who's very
Okay, now I get your category. It's fine.
कि
Do not justify the category.
क्या
The category is-
self-imposed rule है वैसे
Category is nice. No, category is nice. Everything is nice. Okay, so I have to get in a different zone now.
Yeah. I swear I wanted to keep something like that only कोई quiz master or कुछ हो, but Q is a very difficult
Yeah.
Oh, we should name our baby with Q.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Has baby fever.
Okay.
I could be very wrong with the pronunciation. But I'll just go for it. I think I know the name. Quentin Tino.
Oh my god. Sir, do you know by any chance?
No.
नहीं, थोड़ा मुझे लगा था कि ये हमारे रेडार से बाहर है, but I thought he was legendary, so should keep it.
हाँ वो ऐसे कुछ है like people are नाम exactly नहीं पता पर जो fan है उसके वो ऐसे कहते हैं this is a Quentin Tarantino movie and I think this movie has a lot of violence उनकी movies में और जो एक kill movie आई थी अपनी यहाँ पे जो बहुत violence था तो कह रहे थे कि अरे भाई this was Quentin Tarantino level.
Yeah, he really
If
likes.
the answer is Quentin Tarantino.
He really likes creating violence scenes. I don't know, but दूंगी कि नहीं 5 पॉइंट कराते कुछ वो नहीं है, पर let's not think on that. The name I'll tell you is Quentin Tarantino.
Quentin Tarantino.
तूने कुछ तो नाम और सरनेम मिला के बनाया.
But हाँ नहीं close काफी
Close था.
Quentin.
Never नहीं बनता वैसे.
हाँ नहीं बनता. अगर बहुत ही वैसा वाला पॉइंट होता तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं देती. पर हाँ ठीक है, let's go for 5 points minus 135. This is Quentin Tarantino.
Yes.
ये ना ऐसा कहते हैं कि मैं वो नहीं होना चाहता कि इट्स लाइक आई थिंक इवन स्पोर्ट्स पीपल डू दिस अ लॉट कि देयर इज अ राइट टाइम टू रिटायर. ऐसा आपको रिटायर नहीं होना कि आपका खेल स्पॉइल हो चुका हो, सब हो जाए, आपने बहुत लेजेंडरी परफॉर्म किया बट एंड तक आप वो हो चुके हो. तो यार तो तब से उसने सोच रखा आई जस्ट वांट टू डू 10 मूवीज एंड देन I will just do theater, I will make plays, etc. But I don't want to do. I'll write novels. But yeah. So 9 are already done. Now everybody is waiting कि 10th होगी, नहीं होगी, क्या होगा, etc. So yeah, this is Quentin Tarantino, legendary, and yeah, Swat. एक ही बचे.
Yeah.
How many points?
चल यार 35 points take कर दे. और कुछ
35 क्यों? 5 बचा के रखने तुझे. अच्छा.
ऐसे 0 पे एंड नहीं करना चाहिए.
Okay.
शुभ रखती हूँ 5.
11 बचा.
35 points, Swat.
Yes.
Queen of music. Okay, here you go.
I have no idea.
Sufi saint Amir Khusro is popularly credited with fusing the Persian, Arabic, Turkish, and Indian traditions in the late 13th century in India to create X as we know today. Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan holds the record for the most X recordings with over 125 albums. Contemporary artists like Rahat Fateh Ali Khan and Coke Studio Productions have kept X alive for younger audiences, blending it with modern styles. What is X?
एक सेकंड. जब मोहित प्रेशर बनना.
नहीं, come on, Swat. You know this.
India to create X as we know it today. Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan holds the record for the most X recordings. अच्छा.
Q.
Is this a Qawwali?
Yes, you're right. This is Qawwali. अरे तूने ऐसे ही करा.
ऐसे.
So that? You end up at 75. Yay! Mohit, you win. Strat, you also win. And this was Kavali. Okay. 75 and 135. And we are playing a quiz. And Q say all answers were there. And I think it should not end quickly. अच्छा नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि क्विज ऐसे क्विकली खत्म हो जाए. Has it ended? Or has it just started? You are at
75.
You are at
135.
Okay, let's go to not our usual multiverse, but we are going to go quickly to Quickverse.
Okay.
Oh.
What is happening here? What will happen here? This is your universe to make some quick buck. In this universe, you earn points quickly because there is a 10-point question, then there is a 20-point question, then there is a 30-point question, and then Q कौन सा later था?
17.
There is a 170-point question. You have 17 quick questions, rapid fire. And do they all start with Q? इतने तो कम letter है dictionary में literally 8 pages है बस Q के. So do they all start with Q? Not really. But they all have some. The answer has some Q in it. एक लेटर होगा जो आंसर में Q होगा.
Oh my god.
Q somewhere in the answer. There are 17 very quick questions and हो सकता है 2 10 जीत जाए फिर ये 20 जीत जाए फिर 30 जीत जाए. It's just anything can happen in that
It's
game.
just chaos.
Okay, we have to go from 10 to 170.
Can we reach 1000?
You can. This is a quick verse.
ना गंदा खेला है ना
ऐसे
और मैं अपना लेम जोक बाद में सुना.
ऐसे पॉइंट कभी किसी और गेम में नहीं बन सकते. 100 point a question. Okay, here you go.
गेम छोड़ के चला जा.
नहीं मैं तुम्हें अपना जोक सुनाऊंगा. स्वेट तेरा थेरेपी सेशन चल रहा है अभी.
Members only वीडियो हम सबके थेरेपी होता है.
बहुत मजेदार
इसमें
फॉर्मेट है.
प्लॉट ट्विस्ट बट एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन ऑफ प्लॉट ट्विस्ट.
अरे बहुत खतरनाक मजा आ गया. मतलब हम कर सकते हैं आगे भी ऐसा.
And you start with 75 and you start with 135 over there. This is Quickverse. To watch this video, you have to be a brainiest member of this channel. सिर्फ 299 रुपीज से स्टार्ट होती है हमारी मेंबरशिप एंड यू कैन वॉच ऑल द अदर ओल्डर मल्टीवर्स हर मल्टीवर्स के वीडियोस एंड आई विल जस्ट शो यू द मेंबरशिप पेज ओवर हियर. यहाँ कहीं पे दिख जाएगा. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस ज्वाइन बटन फ्रॉम योर फोन और योर डेस्कटॉप एंड इफ यू एन आईफोन यूजर तो आपको ज्वाइन बटन दिखेगा नहीं. वी डोंट नो व्हाई बट आप डेस्कटॉप पे जा सकते हो ब्राउजर पे जा सकते हो एंड मंथली है. कभी भी कैंसिल भी कर सकते हो बट मतलब क्यों कैंसिल करना है. इट्स लाइक बाइंग अ बुक एवरी मंथ. वेरी स्मॉल इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर योर एंटरटेनमेंट होपफुली एंड नॉलेज. ठीक है. तो इफ यू आर अ ब्रेनियस्ट मेंबर आई एम गोइंग टू सी यू इन Quickverse. चलते हैं कुछ. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन बट इट विल हैपन.
हाँ और एक लेम जोक सुनाऊंगा अगर क्यू से स्टार्ट होता है. ठीक है.
Please, just leave us alone.
Okay.
क्यों
क्यों यार.
हम चलते हैं क्विकली. बाय.